Hello everyone, if you're trying to play Fortnite and you keep getting this error, a D3D11 compatible GPU is required to run this engine, then you have come to the right place because in this video I'm going to show you how easy it is to fix this annoying error on Fortnite easily. So first of all, what you're going to do is you're going to open up your start menu, you're going to write here my computer, and here you're going to go into system, you're going to scroll down on here, you're going to go into about, and here you're going to click onto advanced system settings, you're going to go into advanced, click settings, you're going to go into advanced here again, click change, untick automatically manage paging file size for all drives, click custom size, right here 1024. Now you're going to go ahead and open up the calculator, and here what you're going to do is you need to calculate this 1024 value with how much RAM you have. So if you have 8 gigs of RAM, what you're going to do is you're going to calculate 1024 to 8 times. You're going to put this value if you have 8 GB, but since I have 16 GB, I'm going to multiply it with 16. So 1024 multiplied by 16. I'm going to put 16384 here and then click set. And after you click set, it will ask you to restart your computer. You're going to click OK here, close this up, close this, go ahead and restart your computer. And once you're done with the restart, now you're going to go ahead and try to play your game. And if that fixes your issue, then you're good. But if it didn't, then what you can do next is you're going to open up your start menu. You're going to write here device manager. You're going to go into display adapters. You're going to select your graphics card, right click on it and click disable device, and then wait 15 to 20 seconds and then go ahead and enable it. And after you enable it, now when you try to play Fortnite, you'll see that your game will work correctly. So there it is guys, that's how easy it was. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, comment and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace.